I'm honestly discovering that coffee and pop, different varieties of coffee and pop, and certain kinds of foods, um, mostly coffee and pop, will definitely make arthritis worse and inflammation worse. I'm certain that coffee and pop, both those two things on a daily basis, multiple doses a day, or at least down to maybe one dose a day of each, or alternately one dose or more doses per each one, each type. Um, it causes and makes arthritis worse. It does not help arthritis that much. It's okay to drink a little coffee and a little pop, but if you drink it to try to curb your appeal to just drinking water, it's not very good. It actually makes arthritis worse. That's what I've noticed. Now, maybe in some other people it may not, but in my case, I have a bad inflammation problem, and I've had skin disorders that I'm allergic to. I'm allergic to tap water, and because tap water is disgusting, it's not actually clean. Um, and I have a natural ability to get inflamed a bit, but it's not real horrible. It's not the most extreme, but I've noticed it becomes a lot worse when I drink excessive amounts of coffee and pop. For sure, you do not want, when you have bad arthritis, to drink a bunch of coffee and pop. You need to be more like water, maybe a little fruit juice, maybe some milk if you can tolerate milk, or some kind of basic thing. I'm not sure, but you want clean chemistry. Clean chemistry is good. You want things that are accurate for the body. You don't want things that aren't accurate. It does not matter if it's natural or not. There are natural poisons that can really harm human beings. I was just poisoned by someone fabricating fire ant venom in some ice cream sandwiches. Sodium is really bad for the body, high doses of sodium and salt. You do not want to have that. That's horrible for arthritis. That can really mess up your body. Salt is a deadly killer. You want to keep your salt low dose, almost natural doses of salt. You do not want to smoke cigarettes that participate somewhat in arthritic symptoms. You do not want to use abrasive soaps and detergents, things like that. You don't want any infections and viruses. They may be a root cause of arthritis. Don't want to drink alcohol. That's horrible too. Definitely cause a form of another kind, probably a different kind of arthritis or degenerative disease of some type. An arthritis pertains to degeneration of materials in your joints in your body, and so there's probably more than one way to cause arthritis. And aggravation is what coffee and pop does, sodium and salt, and certain minerals, too many minerals. You don't want too many minerals, so eating natural food sources that are healthy and that help regulate the dosage of your nutrition, that is a good thing. Yes, you should cook your food. Yes, you need to boil any water that comes from nature. Sorry if you don't think you need to boil water, but you do. No water from nature is actually trustworthy. It can have all sorts of toxins in it. The ocean produces toxins. There are fish toxins, the bacteria toxins. The rivers and the streams are full of disease. Okay? Nature is not nice. Okay? Everyone's like, oh, natural, natural, natural. I hate to tell you, but you will die in nature. Okay? So, trust me. Do not just trust nature. Do not just trust science. Trust actual physical measurements and the most relative material. The most relative material is a form of cheese that has carbohydrates, proteins, amino acids, lipids, and different ingredients in it that come from plants and minerals, water, and oxygen. Okay, it's a cheese. It's some kind of cheese that they make. It's the most relative human substance called cheese. So, go for it.